Hi there, Mads here to share tips and tricks for your Panasonic PTZs. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to become a PTZ master yourself. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. In this video, I want to show you a new function of the UE160, which can make your life a lot smoother, or at least your footage. So stay tuned and welcome. Having multiple cameras on the stage makes it easier to get the right shot. But what if you only have one camera? All of you one-man bands out there, this is for you. And of course, multicam operators can watch too. Let me show you the Preset PTZ Sync Mode. When set to on, the camera is guiding the pan, tilt and zoom to the new position in one smooth operation. So now you can keep the one camera on air, even doing movement. This feature is available on the UE160, making it the perfect companion whether it's a TV show or a rock concert. Thank you so much for watching. Let me hear what you think in the comments below. Take care and see you soon. Wow.